With inflation in Nigeria at an all-time high of over 14%, the Nigerian economy is crumbling.
It's very painful, truly.
And the only savior is to actually earn in a foreign currency. Many of us in Nigeria prefer the US dollars because it is a universal currency. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 9 best ways to earn in dollars online in Nigeria. Some of them I have actually tried, while some I am doing right now. By the way, my name is Micah Erumaka, and right here on my YouTube channel, I make videos around business, personal finance, and tech. And if this interests you, please do not forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and also hit the subscribe button. Join the family, and without much talks, let's dive right in today's video. Let's go. The first way you can actually earn in dollars online in Nigeria is by building an Instagram theme page. So the question is, what is an Instagram theme page? Have you ever come across an Instagram account where the account is just focused on posting about memes or about relationship, love, money, business, personal finance, and they have hundreds of thousands of followers? Well, this is an Instagram theme page. A theme can be said to be something that is niched or focused on a particular thing. Personally, back in 2019, after the failure of my first company, I started to grow an Instagram theme page called nigerceo.com. I built that account to around 2,000 followers. Right now, it's around 500. I stopped. I failed. But the whole process I did right then was actually building an Instagram theme page, but I didn't even know. It was just recently, while doing research, I found out that what I actually did was building an Instagram theme page. But what if I had focused on building that page and I didn't quit? Probably I'll be making some money in dollars from that Instagram theme page. So you can still do the same thing. So here's the process of building an Instagram theme page. First of all, you need to have a niche in mind. Yes. Then the next step you need to take is to create an account on Instagram, and then you need to create a logo. You can make use of a tool like Canva to create a logo, and once you have created a logo, the next thing is for you to start posting. Let me say my niche is the business niche. All I'll have to do is making posts about business, individuals, entrepreneurs. But there's a new opportunity right now that you can use to build your Instagram theme page, and that's leveraging on Reels. Now, when you're making Reels, you'll have the ability to reach thousands of people or even millions of people once your reel go viral. And it's very, very likely that once your reel go viral, that you're going to be able to put in followers. So this is an opportunity right now you can leverage on in terms of building your Instagram theme page. Next up is product launching. I remember back in 2019 when I attended an event by Dr. Uppbeat, who has done over $1 million in product launch. He gifted me this book, The 10 Deadly Sins of a Product Launch. As you can see here by Dr. Uppbeat. Product launching is a good way for you to actually earn good money in dollars. You can actually earn $10,000 in few hours. There's a page I opened up in this book that shows you, that talks about how they made $10,000 in how many hours, 2 hours or something like that, is in this book. So as a Nigerian, you can actually make good money from product launching. Example of guys who are making good money currently from product launching: Ifyokunkem, Victor Ofemudaye, Mr. Morrison, and Dr. Uppbeat. These are Nigerians that are making money in dollars doing product launching. You can reach out to them on Facebook, and most of them are actually open to sharing with you and mentoring you on this journey. The third way to actually earn in dollars online in Nigeria is creating or making YouTube videos. Personally, I am a content creator on YouTube. I earn my money in dollars from the Google AdSense, and I also make some money from sponsorship deals from brands that reach out to me from the United States and also Nigerian brands. But our focus here is going to be earning in dollars, so we're focusing on the United States brands and as well the Google AdSense. I remember back then when I started making YouTube videos back in 2020, I thought that it's going to take me a very, very long time before I started making money on YouTube. Even with that doubt, I went ahead and started my YouTube channel, and I can proudly say that today I earn some dollars making YouTube videos. Now, this might be the same fate for you. You might be considering starting a YouTube channel today, but you're thinking it's going to take you time. But the truth is that if you don't start right now, the time will never come when you get monetized. But if you start right now, it's very, very likely that if one of your videos blows up, you can actually get monetized in less than 3 months. So I encourage you to start. So how do you start a YouTube channel? The first step you need to take is to have a Gmail account, or you create a Gmail account. I believe 95% of you guys watching this video now actually have a Gmail account. The next step you need to take is to get a mobile device, a phone, or you can have a camera. If you have a camera, it's a good thing. If you have a phone, I will encourage you to make use of your phone. Personally, I started making YouTube video with my phone before I upgraded in buying a camera for myself. So once you have a phone, the third step you need to take is to purchase a lapel mic. I don't know if you can see this stuff right here on my chest. This is a lapel mic. It makes the audio quality be very, very good, and the visuals is not the most important thing when you start. The most important thing is whether your audience can actually hear what you're saying. I believe you can hear me clearly, but if I remove this lapel mic, the whole experience of you watching my video won't be that nice. So once you have a lapel mic, you can now proceed in getting a tripod stand, and from there you can now scale and start decorating your background. As you can see, my background is not that much decorated. But I'm shooting the video, so that's just to tell you don't need to have the best of background before you start creating content. You can go back to when I started making YouTube videos. You can see that it was very, very bad. Well, now I can see that my contents today are much more better than back then. So I encourage you to start. Next stop is investing in the US stock market from Nigeria. Yes, many Nigerians don't know it, but you can actually buy stocks like Tesla, Apple, Meta from Nigeria here, making use of apps like Bamboo, Taka, and Trove. Yes, I actually made a video in the past where I should walk you through how to make use of Bamboo in investing in the US stock market and actually buy a stock live. I bought Meta and Tesla. You can click on the card above to watch that particular video. When it comes to investing in the US stock market, you need to make sure that you do a lot of research before you invest. I encourage you not to invest blindly. Personally, for me, I love to invest in companies I believe in, and I believe that their stocks is going to do well on the long run. And I encourage you to have your own trading or investment strategy. The fifth best way to actually earn in dollars online in Nigeria is by doing freelancing. If you have skills like website design, graphics design, video editing, and copywriting, you can actually earn money doing what we call freelancing. You can leverage on platforms like Fiverr, freelance.com, and Upwork in getting clients that will patronize you for these your services. You can also go the extra mile in going to business communities like ClickFunnels in looking for clients in the United States that will patronize you. Personally, in the past, I did what we call drop servicing, which is a little bit of freelancing. And how I got most of my clients was by posting in business communities. My target market was guys in Europe, United States of America, Australia, and New Zealand. I will basically go to Facebook and join communities where we had lots of business individuals that are from these particular countries. And I joined the Facebook group. I make a lot of posts and try to offer value, and also comment when I see people that are looking for virtual assistants and freelancers that will help them perform a particular service. And this was how I was actually making good money during the COVID period. You can actually earn $100, $200, even to as high as $5,000 doing freelancing. It all boils down to the skills you're offering to the marketplace, and as well as how good you are at selling your services and marketing as well. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the act of promoting other people's product for the sole purpose of earning a commission once you make a sale. You can leverage on platforms like Diviso, Warrior Plus, and Commission Junction in promoting different kind of digital products and softwares and actually earning dollars online in Nigeria. Guys like Chibuezemicahe, Peter Onwe, Daniel Ome, these are Nigerians that are actually making good money in dollars specifically from affiliate marketing business in Nigeria. Also, if you're a Nigerian or anyone in Africa that's looking at making money from affiliate marketing, I recommend that you check out a course by Daba.school on affiliate marketing. Link is going to be in the description. Personally, I have taken this course and I will say the course is actually worth it. You will benefit a lot from taking this course. Link is in the description. Next stop at number 7 is Forex/crypto trading. Learning how to trade Forex or even crypto is a skill that can actually give you high leverage of earning in dollars from Nigeria. I've made a video talking about the top 8 Forex traders to follow in Nigeria, the top 7 crypto influencers to follow in Nigeria. You can click on the card above to watch those videos, and believe you me, it's going to give you the guidelines that you need to follow and the individuals that you need to follow in terms of going into the Forex industry or crypto industry. Forex trading has made the likes of Chris Annie, Jeffrey Benson, and Gaius Chibueze big money, and I will advise anyone who's looking at making use of this skill in making money to make sure that they acquire knowledge first before they go ahead in trading the Forex market or investing in the crypto market. Personally, I watch Jeffrey Benson's YouTube channel in regards to Forex, and Chris Annie also has a course on trade and make money. Personally as well, I've taken the course on trade and make money, and I would say the course is good. I actually made a review on the trade and make money course by Chris Annie. You can also click on the card above to watch that particular video for you to get more idea on what Chris Annie covers on the trade and make money course. Gaius Chibueze as well has a mentorship program where you pay $500 and you get access to him. I will encourage you to choose anyone that is best for you and just go ahead and educating yourself before investing in the forex market or crypto market. Another good way to actually earn in dollars online in Nigeria is by actually having a blog. Many people, more especially in the internet marketing space in Nigeria, think that blogging is dead, but that's one of the biggest lies we believe in at the moment. Personally, I have a blog that I am not even taking that much serious. The last time I actually posted in that blog was as of last year December, but as you can see on the screen, that blog is still pulling in some little money for me, passive income. And apart from the Google AdSense money which I'm making from the blog, I also generate leads from the blog and make money at the back end. But what you're seeing on your screen now in regards to how much I make from the blog is not big compared to what guys like Remedy Okonkwo, Aja Excel, or even Emmanuel Emenike make from their blogs. In order for you to set up a successful blog in Nigeria, based on my own personal experience, the first step you need to take is to have a target country in mind. I will encourage you to target countries like the United States, the UK, New Zealand, or even Europe. So once you have a target country in mind, the next step you need to take is now to have a niche. Pick a niche. Either you're targeting the make money online niche, the forex trading niche, which is a little bit of the make money online niche, or the health niche, or even the affiliate marketing niche. This is also the make money online niche. So once you have a niche, the next step you need to now take is to purchase a domain name, and then you purchase hosting, and you now have your blog up and running successfully. The ninth and final best way to actually earn in dollars online in Nigeria is by being a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is basically someone who helps their clients cut down the time they spend on performing minor tasks like opening and replying emails, scheduling meetings and calls, and creating automation for their businesses. If you're a virtual assistant, you might have to learn how to make use of a tool like Zapier. Zapier is a tool used to create automation and reduce the time spent on performing minor tasks like payment processing, replying customers, and all that stuff. So this is something you might have to learn in order for you to be a virtual assistant and earning dollars in Nigeria. If you enjoyed watching this video, I have another video where I share 11 best side hustles to make you money in Nigeria. You can click on the end screen to watch that. And with that being said, guys, do not forget to smash the like and hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next one.